There's a massive upgrade happening in the crypto space right now that most people are sleeping on. We're talking about a complete ecosystem overhaul. New UI, new token, new card, all dropping at once. So if you want to be early on the next big exchange token, this is your moment. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is CZR. Link to this will be in the description of the video. On February 6th, guys, CZR Exchange officially completed a massive system upgrade that is marking a major milestone in its evolution. And the platform now features a sleek, redesigned user interface that is cleaner, faster, and more optimized for serious traders who actually demand that position and the instance execution. Now, every element of the experience has been refined to reduce the friction and improve the responsiveness and support of high performance trading environments. Because they want to make absolutely sure that those who are actively engaged in high stakes trading can execute every single one of their market entries and exits at the exact moment they intend, completely without any frustrating delays or technical setbacks. Because every split second counts. And you know that's a fact, especially in crypto, guys. So this upgrade is more than just cosmetic. It actually lays the technical foundation for the next phase of growth, including that highly anticipated token launch for the exchange. Now, guys, CZR positions itself as one of the best low-fee crypto exchanges on the market today. Built for global participation, this platform actually enables seamless cross-border transactions with nearly instant settlements. And of course, I strongly recommend that you do your own research. Head over to their website, sign up, and go ahead and check them out for yourself. That way, you'll be able to see for yourself if this is something you'd want to use for all your trading. Now, it's not just designed for active trading, but also for efficiently moving value across regions without the traditional delays we're all used to. Each transaction is backed by a robust security architecture, which also ensures that assets remain protected within a resilient and secure infrastructure. You'll be able to see this for yourself, guys. This is what it looks like once you're in. Actually, on their website right now, this is the spot trading section. Okay, now, of course, you might be wondering, do they also offer futures? Of course, right now, this is the futures trading they have available. Naturally, they have a ton of different tokens you can use for all your trades. And the one we've all been aiming for, especially those who are new to cryptocurrency, they also offer futures copy trading. So this is copy trading at its best. So this is actually going to be super helpful, especially for those of you who are still new to crypto and want to copy the trades of experienced traders out there. This is definitely something you can go ahead and try. So at the center of this new ecosystem, guys, is the upcoming CZR token. It's designed to power the upgraded platform. And CZR brings real utility to its holders. The benefits include governance, voting rights, staking rewards, and discounted trading fees. Now, when it comes to staking, you can actually access it by going here, right? So if you click on this, it'll take you to the part of the website where they talk about their staking. They also offer discounted trading fees. Early adopters might also qualify for potential airdrops. This really highlights the strategic advantage of getting involved with the platform before the token officially launches. So guys, once again, I strongly recommend that you do your own research and check out their website. See for yourself how powerful this one is. They also have customer support available at the bottom right corner of their page. So if you have any questions or anything like that, you can access it really easily. All right. And of course, guys, make sure to do your own research and also follow all their social media platforms. That way, whenever they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, basically anything and everything about the project, you'll be in the loop. You'll always be in the now. So the upgrade is live and the token is on its way. Don't wait until the hype takes over. All right, click the link, register your account, and start trading on the new CZR interface today. I'll see you in the next one.
And